I believe we are live. This is day 10 of trying to get a software engineering internship. Welcome back, guys. We're about to hit 400 subscribers. Yesterday I took the day off. I was out of town, but today we're back and rolling. Um, Today I wanted to make it a bit different. So we've been obviously working on our projects and our our stock predictor and some Leet Code. The day before yesterday we did Leet Code, and then the day before that we worked on our stock predictor. But today I wanted to work on the on my resume and like working on applying because we're not doing a lot of that. And since we have hit the double digits for the number of days, I want to work on the I want to work on the resume. So this is kind of a template of my resume. I got rid of all the personal information on there, and like this is all my project experience. So it kind of looks a bit funky, but it's because I removed like a portion of that. But I want to work on making this quite improved, and we're gonna test our resume using VMock, which is a resume rater. So I'm plugging VMock. They should low key sponsor me for this, but I'm not big enough to get sponsored yet. But we're gonna work on VMock. Let me just log in outside of this. We're gonna work on VMock and then what's it called? Yeah, work on VMock and try to improve the resume with VMock, because VMock is gonna give me my detailed feedback for what I need to improve and all that. So yeah, yeah, I'm logged in. I just gotta quickly pay for this shit. It's kind of annoying, but um, yeah, I gotta pay real quick, but it's worth it. Oh, are they making me pay through PayPal? I think. Okay, wait, they're making me like log in. Oh, we got a concurrent viewer. If you're watching the stream, say hi. I'm just logging into my VMock so that I can get my resume rated. But if you're on stream, please make sure to say hi. And if this is your first time tuning in, definitely subscribe. You would be the 400th subscriber, so that would be awesome. But I'm just quickly gonna scan this QR code and yeah, scan this QR code and get straight to the resume work. So today we're working on the resume, trying to improve stuff. Yo, Kasim Amidu. Hi, Kasim. Where are you from, man? And are you a CS major? What's your background? Let's just scan this QR code. Nice, we scanned it. But yeah, how are you, Kasim? Sorry, how are you? How are you, Kasim? If that's how you say your name, and if I'm saying it wrong, make sure to correct me. We're just working on the resume right now. Did I log in? No, I didn't. It didn't even log me in. Oh, I got in. Okay, nice. Yep, perfect. Yep, complete purchase. Hey, good to see you again. Hey, Yash, I saw you last time. How are you guys? Today's a Saturday, so I think everyone should be coming on to stream today, checking out what's going on. But yeah, um, so I just logged in. Let's see the rating that VMOG gave me for my resume. So I think you guys can see my screen. So I got a 29 out of 40 for impact on my resume, 26 out of 30 for presentation, 27 out of 30 for competencies. So I guess my presentation is decent and my competencies are decent, but the impact is where I'm lacking. I'm doing a lot of overusage and I'm using avoided words. So let's see how I can improve it. Hopefully it doesn't show my actual weight. I'm gonna bring this here real quick. I just have a fear of like, some personal information getting leaked. Okay, yeah. Just 1 second, guys. Okay, perfect. I'll just. Yeah, okay, I'm bringing it back. Yo, my God. Okay, you guys can probably see this, right? Um, so let's focus on this part mainly. So, Bachelor of Science, Computer Science, this is fine. Wait, where is it was literally giving me, where do I improve it? Bullet level feedback. So this is something a lot of companies use for screening. This bullet includes the following filter, which should be avoided. The next overusage. The following words have been used elsewhere. Managed. Overusage. Implemented. Filler words. The bullet feedback. Okay, so it goes per bullet point. System feedback. Overall format. Okay. So I'm getting here's the current. Okay, so VMOC recommends that either all bullets should end with a period or none of them. Okay, so that's another tip you guys can see that either all. Okay, what else? Okay, this. So either all bullets should end with a period or none of them. Consistent bullet symbol size should be used for all bullets. So these bullet points are a little smaller. Okay. So look, these are like tiny tips though, like they're very important. But guys, if you're in chat, if you're in watching the video, like I want you to engage with chat. Um, what's it called? What else is there? Um, what else is there? Phone number, name, check, email. So these should be all included in your resume. Section specific. So it's not saying anything. Okay, experience. Company name, consistent styling. Okay, so I used a different style here. VMOC recommended me consistently coming in caps slash non-caps. Okay, so here I use small. Okay, okay. So I have to fix this. Um, Job title styling. So these are different. What's specifically the issue here? Yo, I was watching on Daysong when you're talking about VMOC. How did you end up getting it to work? You just upload your resume, and once you upload your resume, you should be good with Oh, we just hit 401 subscribers. You have to pay for it to give you detailed feedback. It'll just give you a score, so it's like $19, but it's worth it because you get 10 resume scans, and I think after you use them, you have to pay again. But don't waste them, obviously. Make sure to improve the resume as much as possible before you do anything with it. But this is what companies use to scan your resume. So like think of like jobs with like 500 plus applicants. The HR team is not like they do not give a fuck about like looking at your resume and reading every single resume. They're just going to scan it through this stuff like VMOC, and it's going to specifically have a rating of 95 or more. Those resumes are going to like get passed, and the HR will actually look at them. Any other resume, they don't care to look at it. They're like, yeah, whatever. Even like small details like presentation, dude, you're looking at it right now. Like just little details about styling are so important when you with your resume. But yeah, you have to pay for it to give you detailed feedback. But you have one free upload, but it'll just give you a score. It's not gonna do anything else. But once you pay for it, you get detailed feedback like how I have here right now. So yeah, include date formatting, location check. That's not an issue, but yeah, I have to fix my styling. Highlight all feedback. Okay. And yeah, good job on company styling. Good job. Yep. That your resume? Yeah, sorta. Yeah, it is technically the resume, but I could improve it for sure. At the moment, it's what I have. This is all my projects. This is my work experience. Live my education. But that is my resume. Let's see. Let's see what else. So let's go on to the. Okay, so we looked at our overall format, the font size, bullet check. We'll fix that stuff. So either it ends with a period or full stop wherever you're from. I know the British use full stop, in America they use a period. In Canada, I guess Canada does. Let's look at our impact. So this is where I'm lacking the most. I'm losing my most score on my impact. I'm getting 29 out of 40. Um, Specifics on track. Include more quantification of the impact and scope of your work in the following sections. Project experience. What are these specifics? So I guess these, like everything highlighted here, are specifics. Um, Here we go. React JS, 35%. Python. Okay, so I guess this would be like the numerics you use. Been watching the streams for a while. They're great, man. Appreciate it, man. We're getting a lot of love today. If you guys aren't subscribed, by the way, remember to subscribe. But you guys talk to me, man. Tell me about your background, guys. I love hearing from you guys. Never mind, just checked. I have it through my school. Yeah, you can also get it through your school as well. My school has it, but it's only for business students. So yeah, you can do it from both. But personally, I don't like my school's being annoying. Business students only. So, what it is, what it is. But yeah, thank you, Karan Chaudhary. I think that's how you say it. Sup, XPCFL. What's up, man? How are you? How are you? Over usage. Let's fix this. Managed, implemented. Okay. So, consider with these suggestions. Okay, so it tells me to change it with like one of these because I'm overusing it. Implemented, performed, accomplished, utilized, applied, employed, leveraged, managing. Oh, I see how I'm reusing it. How proficient should you be at a programming language to start a project? I have a hot take on this. I don't think you need to be proficient at all. The most recent project I'm doing, Stock Predictor, I've never personally worked on any machine learning before, and you just learn, bro. It's just the I think project based learning is the best way to learn any programming language because they're intrinsically all basically the same. It's the same concept, same logic, everything. It's just different like syntax, right? So in my opinion, like as long as you just go for it, you have Chat GPT, you have Stack Overflow, and don't let people like I was getting a guy in chat saying, "Oh, go learn how to code. Why are you using Chat GPT? This and that." It's all about it's a tool, bro. It's a tool, and at the end of the day, like it's fine to use it because like you're not going to be proficient in every language. Stack Overflow is an amazing tool. Before ChatGPT was Stack Overflow that programmers are using. No one's writing some new unique line of code. You're not like going to be Einstein and figure out some crazy shit. Every line of code has already been written. You're just a puzzle piece solver, right? You take those lines of code and put it in the right places. That makes a good programmer. Not writing something like crazy, like, oh, I just figured out a new, like, no, every line of code has been written before. You just gotta know where and how to use it. That's just my take on it. If anyone has a different take, you can obviously share that with us, but that's just how I kind of see programming. But back to this. So I'm using implementing. So look, I keep using the same words, utilizing, implementing, and that's giving me a very bad impact on my score. So if you guys are seeing this on your resume where you're using the same words like utilizing, implementing, utilized here, utilized, managing, implement. Look, I just use it everywhere, and that's why my resume is having a very low impact at the moment. So this is obviously so if yeah guys, if VMOC is like through your school, like this is basically a free tool for some of you. I think especially in North America you could get this for free. So a lot of people don't know about this, but this is the secrets you get with watching my streams, guys. So you guys smash that subscribe button. So again here, avoided words. You have used some words which are used as filler words. Effectively, which, that, the, and I use the 8 times, that once, which. So how does it recommend me to fix that? So I'm just. Oh, it doesn't say anything. That's crazy. You have included personal pronouns which should be avoided. Revise the bullet point content to minimize the use of filler words as much as possible. My, I, there. Awesome. What are avoided words? Avoided words include passive language, personal pronouns, filler words, and other consuming valuable space on your resume without much impact. Click here to know more. All recruiters agree using unnecessary words makes the resume seem wordy, conciseness, and brevity. My English is gone, bro. Brevity in your resume will ensure that it is impactful. So direct the focus on the facts about what you did. So don't use any of this. This is bad. Incorrect format. Manage the team which was responsible for the process improvement or across the organization. Correct format. Led cross-functional program team of 15 facilitated to provide improvement, personalized services, and follow-up assistance to clients, accounting for over 15% of annual revenue. You see how much better that sounds? Statistics. 10, sorry, average number of words that can be added by avoiding filler words in the resume. 85 average score of your resumes that seldom have any. Okay. So now let's look at the competencies. We have looked at the impact, action oriented. So we did a good job of that. Oh, actually, no, we have. So you have not used action oriented in this bullet. Try to reword your bullet point to start with. Okay, awesome. So this is like it's saying it's a useless line for my resume. Like it's just there. Live stream. You have to use action oriented. Try to reword this as well, and then you not use action oriented languages. Try to reword this. So it's giving me all the most. Assist is considered a weak action verb. Bullet bullet to start with strong action words. So you guys can see, like, I'm getting a lot of fucking tips on my resume that not a lot of people can give you. So let's look at our competencies. On track. We recommend you to add more experiences which reflect your initiative skills well. What are initiative skills? Initiative skills can be shown through creative problem solving, new innovation, or going beyond the call of duty. So like different things could be experiencing fundraising, product development, professional mentoring, all that stuff. So this is like maybe you're volunteering that I don't have on my resume. And as you can see, my resume don't got a lot of space at the moment. You feel me? Like I only got a little bit, so I gotta make this work. So mainly today, check updated resume score. Got it. Okay, we'll check that later. But let's use ChatGPT today and try to improve our resume through that. Some entry levels got crazy requirements. A great guy once told me. He said to me that with like entry level roles where they're like, you need 10 years of experience, this and that, bro, just apply. A lot of the times they're just yapping. I'm telling you guys right now, every job posting, 99% of the time, they just get some AI to write the job posting. They don't even look at what they wrote, and then you just apply and you'll get an interview. I had many cases where they asked for me for like 10 years of experience. I'm like, yeah, I have 10 years. Pass me through the screening test. I just do an interview. They like me. They'll like let me in, right? I have friends who are literally like broke, who are literally 0 years of experience, straight up capping and getting through. I'm not recommending lying, of course. Lie only if you believe that the lie can be proven to be correct eventually, or you're very close to like, I don't know how to say this properly. I guess only lie on your resume when you think that you can still do it, but like okay, let's say I lie about the position I had at a company. That's like a white lie, you know what I mean? Like, oh, like you were part of the company, you know how the process works, but it's just like you kind of just, what's it called? You didn't actually do it, but you know how it works, and you could probably do it yourself, or you've tried doing it before. Something like that. Like those lies are okay. And like in terms of experience, like it's not that deep. Those are deaf startups, LMAO. Maybe yeah, Loki start, but I don't recommend working at a startup for your because I've worked at a startup. I worked at a startup personally. I don't recommend doing that as your first job. I really don't. I don't think it's the smartest thing to do. But yeah, I guess startups a lot. But I've had a friend. I'm not gonna name any names, but you guys probably know them on YouTube. Literally, like straight up capped and like said they had 5 years of experience and then got entry level roles through that, or I think mid senior level. Sorry, medium level roles. Literally by just capping. I don't recommend it because I don't think it works in this market, but you can definitely do it to be honest. But yeah, anyways, we hit 402 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Also, keep engaging in chat, guys. I need a chat rolling, guys. I want a chat going crazy right now, which I'm not seeing. But yeah, let's uh, let's improve the resume. So let's go start with the impact first. So let's fix our overusage. So what I like to do is I like to like first screenshot everything, and then I like to give it to ChatGPT, and then I'll like give this to ChatGPT. I think ChatGPT has my resume. So I'll like paste this into GPT, then I'll like upload from my computer or whatever. Might want to move this. Where's my resume actually? Where is my resume? Previous 7 days maybe. Dollar resume 12. Is that the most recent one? Sure, let's just put that in there. Can you change? Hi, bro. How are you doing? I'm good, Zuffer. How are you? Thank you for returning to stream once again. I remember you from day 9. Can you change the things highlighted in the image for my resume? Just change the bullet points. Let's see what GPT does for me, what it cooks up. Bruh. Always asking for ratings, man. All these companies. But yeah, guys, keep engaging in chat, man. I want to talk to all of you. It's a Saturday. I know you're all relaxing today, so talk in chat, man. Let's have a good time. Or else it's boring for me, man. I'm just sitting here not doing anything, talking about anything. I could personally, honestly, change it myself. I don't think it's actually that hard. What's good, bro? Paul Levental. That's the first time I've ever seen you, man. So sorry, no. What am I saying? Congratulations. How's the stock predictor coming along? Stock predictor is going well, man. Nice to meet you, Paul. Also, how are you? And I'm good, thank you. No wait, what am I saying, bro? I'm tripping right now. I'm nervous. I got so many people in chat. I'm just like saying the wrong things, but nothing much, bro. What about you? That's the right response to what's good, bro. The stock predictor is going well. I'm gonna work on it after we do some resume improvement, apply to a couple places. Charles says, "Woo, day 10." Yes, sir, Charles. You've been along since day 1 as well. So Charles always been an OG, anyways. Me and Charles go way back, but he been on the journey since day 1. Yeah, bro. Good to see you again. You as well, man. I love seeing people returning. It's always a great feeling, that I got some loyal mandem. It's always a good feeling. So yeah, they just fixed it. So let's see, We'll add this to the resume. We'll add these little details. Okay, current company website. Maybe I gotta get rid of the current company website thing. But let's put all the changes GPT just gave me for the resume. I'm not gonna put it in straight away because I literally paid like $25 for the VMOC thing. So we're gonna improve it, and then by the end of all our improvements that you guys are gonna watch me do, I'm gonna put it in again. How would you go about starting a portfolio like as a website or okay, HTML CSS obviously given for a website, right? Then you'd use JavaScript backend. Also love tuning into streams, bro. Really appreciate that, man. HTML CSS would be your go-to for your front end and everything when you're doing a website. It's pretty simple, especially with GPT. It'll be very simple. You'll understand everything. Just like don't take a course. Just look at some YouTube videos. Understand the basics of what's going on. And then if you want to add backend to it, I just recommend JavaScript. It's the more easier ones to work with. And that's how I would start like a website or something. Especially with GPT, bro, you'll find it crazy like how good GPT is with that stuff. It's not the best. Obviously, you have to add your own improvements, look at the internet and so on, but it's pretty decent, I'd say. But yeah, guys, keep engaging. Look, Costume's engaging very well. So I'm talking to him. You guys can see I'm talking to everyone. Tomorrow you had like 300 subs and now 400 subs. That's a great progress. Best of luck, bro. I appreciate that, Zuffer. Yeah, it's a really crazy growth. We're growing very fast, and it's all because of you guys. So I have to appreciate all of you, and you guys are giving me a platform at the end of the day. So without you guys, I'm literally nothing. So I'll always appreciate that. I will always indeed appreciate that. Wait, why are these? What did I just do? Come on, shift B. Karan Chaudhary. For my resume, I have 3 ML projects and building a website. And for experience working at a restaurant, add some clubs at my university. Any tips to improve or change? I would not put the restaurant experience. I don't recommend any non-tech experience for when you're applying to tech jobs. A lot of the time, they don't care. I would focus a lot on your clubs at your university. That's your main thing. Make sure to add any like things like add GitHub links or anything that'll show your work and put a lot of keywords, which we're gonna get into in a second. I'm gonna discuss like keywords for like different job postings that I'm gonna see. So I'll go on my LinkedIn and like put show you guys some job postings and like you should alter your resume for most job every single job posting. Zohaib Hassan, yo bro, nice to see you again. Nice to see you as well, man. How are you, bro? How are you? It's nice to have you again. We're getting a lot of returning viewers today. Peak viewers we've had today was 8 concurrent viewers. I want to hit 10. I have not hit 10 concurrent viewers at once. So that's the people watching. So I hope we get to that number today. That would be insane. But yes, hey, we're just working on resume right now. Because I want to change it up for day 10. You know, it's a monumental day for me. It's a big change. So yeah, we're just working. GPT gave us some changes. Bots scan them keywords on resumes. Yeah, literally bots scan them. If they're not there, they're not even gonna look at your resume, bro. I'm good. What about you? I'm really good, man. Alhamdulillah. Yeah, alhamdulillah. But yeah, let's just. I don't think it has these bullet points either, so I'll give this to GPT and see what it says. But I think the main ones were like, I guess here, or sorry, yeah, here. I'll fix that. I'll put like applied or whatever. Come on, Chippy. Uh, and then, bro, can you show your setup? I don't know how I can pull that off. Maybe when I do like a YouTube video or something, I'll show my setup. But I don't have like a proper camera right now. So I'm like using my laptop camera, so I'd have to like go like this, and it would be a pain in the ass. So that will be for next time. But I'll definitely show my setup. It's not that crazy though. I have a PS5 controller sitting right here. That's the craziest part of my setup. Nah, I'm just joking around. Why do tech companies have fancy job titles that have little difference? You gotta ask the tech companies, bro. Tech companies are just trolls in my eyes, bro. They just love messing around. That's what I think about tech companies. They're like those girls that think they're too good for you, you know? Self checkout station. Let's add that. Damn, I created like a lot more space here too. So look, like just like getting rid of those like filler words, I have to put that in as well actually into GPT for my thing. Let's change this as well. We'll use employed or something. Leveraged, leveraged. Let's see if we've already used leverage before in the resume. No, we have not. Bro, are you using external mouse and keyboard with MacBook? Yes, I am. That is what I am doing. I have a monitor. I have one monitor, and then my Mac is here, and then I have a Razer keyboard with like the rests or something, and then I have a Razer mouse, and then like a Razer like mouse pad thingy that I put my mouse on. Then I got my AirPods over here, and my glasses. I don't think you guys know I wear glasses. I think that's every computer science Dude. But yeah, I am in Canada, bro, and it is 5 p.m. It is 5 p.m. Where are you, bro? Where are you guys located? Do you know Talha ibn Ubaid Allah? No, but he sounds like a Muslim guy, and I'm Muslim, so maybe I should know him. I don't know him though. Let's see. Talha ibn Ubaid Allah. Let's see. Let's see who this is. Military officer. Radio. Well, you know what? I gotta look at who this is now, cause I'm actually pretty now I'm interested in who this is. I should probably know who this is, but I don't. You're from Tunisia. That's awesome to hear, man. I have heard great things about Tunisia. I have a couple Tunisian friends myself living here in Canada, so I've heard. Yeah, Tunisia is a sounds like a great place, man. It probably is. Maybe inshallah one day I make myself over to Tunisia. Yo, you got 10 viewers now. Let's go, guys. We finally beat the old record. So it is a Saturday though, so I think a lot of people more people are free. But that's always great though. Leveraged. Leveraged. Leveraged HTML CSS. Wait, why is this okay? You're welcome anytime, buddy. No worries at all. I'm in Chicago, but I'm from Senegal. That's really good to hear, bro. Senegal has got a lot of great soccer players. Zahid Hassan, bro, it would be great if you put your PC specs in description for those who are interested, you know? But I got a MacBook, bro. I can show you guys right now the PC specs where you guys can see this. It's M2 Pro, 14-inch, 2023, 16 GB RAM. Yeah, that's really it, bro. I'm not a big specs guy, but I can do that. What projects have you built so far? I have to add my stock predictor into the resume, but as of right now, well, I have my personal portfolio website. You can find that at talharage.com here, and then all my projects are kind of right there. But yeah, anyone can go on if they want talharage.com. Can we see your portfolio projects? You can indeed. Just let's finish the resume stuff and then we'll go on to that as well. Created, employed, detail. What's a better word for created? Created synonyms. Also, if this is your first time, how old am I? I'm 19 years old, turning 20 this year. If you guys haven't already, guys, subscribe right now if this is your first time seeing. We're on the road to 1K. We want to go this way, bro. We want to go up. You feel me? So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe. Produced a. So we can change this to produced. So let's see if we fixed all the errors. That oh wait, it's probably better if I just split screen this actually. Yeah, it's probably better if I do that. Bro, why is it not showing now? Okay, perfect. Here, copy of Tolerance resume. Okay, let's look. Did we change the managed here? So it's bullet point 2. Enhanced AWS systems 25%. Okay, perfect. So we got rid of that. Designed and intuitive for the app. Okay, perfect. Got rid of that. We didn't overuse that. This had no issues. Utilize, we changed that to leveraged. You've heard of Mern Stack. Did you make your portfolio? Sorry, wait. Did you make your portfolio website with vanilla HTML or did something like React? I used HTML, CSS mainly, and yeah, React. React JS. You've heard of Stack? No, I have not heard of Stack. Please educate me on it. Um, let's see here. So we got utilize. We changed that. Managing first bullet point. Develop crypto view secure. Buying. Okay, so I didn't change this, which is not good. We were supposed to change that. Managing digital. So what's a better word for this? And organizing. Organizing. Good for resume. Stack is a pretty beginner friendly in my opinion. Good for resume. We'll look into that then. Let us finish this and then we'll look into that. Utilizing here. I think okay. This GPT is just stupid, but it's not even changing shit. Uh, employing the. We'll change this to employing. GPT honestly useless, bro. Might as well change things myself. What's the best thing to quickly get a job? Or sorry, wait, we'll read from the beginning. What's up, bro? How you been? Oliver Hubbard says, I've been good, man. How are you? Nice to have you back. I remember you from last stream as well. Adiljan. Hey, bro, my dream company is Microsoft. Do you have any project ideas that could help me get there? You got to make something really good, I'll tell you that. But I don't know. I don't know. You'd have to ask someone from Microsoft. But in terms of projects, I think make something that is very like a very good idea and something that's unique, not something that's been done before or something that's been done before but has maybe an improvement to it, but it has to be good because Microsoft's a pretty big company. This is my third time tuning in. Well, glad to have you back for a third time. You must be enjoying the streams, I'd hope so. What's the best thing to quickly get a job? I think there's no rush really. But if you want to really know, I'd say networking. If you really want to get a job quick, networking. Your connections are like everything. That's your net worth. Your connections are your net worth. Your network is your net worth. That's the saying, and agree with that. I know some dumb people who have internships who probably don't deserve it. Not naming any names, but that would be the best way to get a job as quickly as possible. Best Anime says MERN is a pre-built technology stack based on JavaScript technologies. MERN stands for MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. After the four key technologies that make up the stack. Right. That's actually a smart thing, like MERN and then all the technologies. The network, are you referring to the classmates? Well, if your classmates are pretty smart and they have internships, then yeah, but I would say like going to career fairs, networking with recruiters on LinkedIn or like anywhere you can find people of like high status, like they have the jobs you want, they're in the companies you want, network with them. That's the fastest way. If you guys want to know the fastest way, I would say that is probably the fastest way. But yeah, keep engaging in chat, guys. I'm loving this. So create a user-friendly movie lookup app utilizing the TMDB API. So we change API. So we changed the adding feature. So we changed that as well. It's not implementing anymore. Visualize user interaction. Okay, we changed that. So GPT isn't that bad. To create a software. Awesome. Applied. What's a better word for implement? To execute. We can change it to execute, I guess. To execute. What's that? What do you guys think? Accomplish. Yeah, execute. Everything else kind of doesn't make sense. Utilized, applied, object oriented. How often did we use the word applied? 101. Perfect. So we didn't use it that often. Assisted in forming, managing. Okay. Okay, awesome. We got rid of that. So I think we improved everything in terms of overusage. Adil John says, when you learned programming slash coding, was it during your education? I think with coding specifically as a computer science major in first year they teach you a lot of it, and then over the years it kind of gets a lot less. But I think working outside of university and stuff is a lot better for you and your coding habits and stuff. uh, and getting better at coding is definitely an outside of university thing. It's not with university. I don't think university is made for becoming a software engineer. It's for I don't know what university is for. I guess it just teaches you the fundamentals, but I don't know how much that helps people. Do you consider yourself a full stack web dev? I'm not a full stack web dev. I prefer back end a lot more than I prefer front end. But I'm not even really a web dev. I know how to work with websites. I can do a little bit of everything, but I used to specialize in iOS using specifically Swift and Swift UI. I moved on to Python back. Sorry, machine learning a little bit. I can do a little bit of everything, just depending on that. I think in terms of internships, you have to know a little bit of everything, and then once you're like outside of university, you have to specialize in one thing because a jack of all trades, isn't the best for a specific job, like becoming an iOS engineer. If you're putting on your resume, oh, I know JavaScript, I know, they don't care about that. You're not gonna get the job. So that's really important, and to make sure that you specialize. Once you specialize, you get rid of all the different types of languages and focus on the one language that the companies need for that specific job, or one or two languages they probably need. But for internships, I'd say put a little bit of everything. You never know when you might need it and stuff because they require a lot of languages sometimes. Yo, Talha, it was nice talking to you. I'm gonna come back to the stream later, and congrats on hitting 400 subs. Paul Levental says, I appreciate that, man. Thank you for tuning in. I hope to see you again later. XPCFL says, some jobs require a CS degree. Well, they say that, but they also say or equivalent, and so that's where the bootcamp guys come in. Adalet Adiljan says, do you have any good websites to prepare for the interview? I mean, one obvious one is Leet Code. You can go onto Leet Code if you want. Algo Expert's pretty good. And then in terms of other interviews, I think I forget what the website's called, but like system design interviews. If you search it up, you can find some pretty good courses for that. And then normal interviews, like just behavioral, I don't know. I think you just practice really. Do I need to grind lead coding? I think 100%. If you want a pretty good software engineering job, I would recommend that, but not insanely grinding lead code because that's kind of useless. Also focus on projects. XPSFL says, yeah. Best anime says to get into internship. Yeah, you would have to grind lead code decently, but not too intensely. And then for the technical interviews. Yep. Anyways, guys, let's get back onto this. Avoided words. So we've obviously used a lot of avoided words here. So that would be this and that. The. So let me just take a full screenshot of everything. Come on. Command Shift 4. Let's just do this. I have to take a screenshot of everything then. What 1 second. Let me just screenshot this. I'll read that. Here we go. What's workspace simulation? Is that part of the interview process? I don't know what workspace simulation is. Adalat Adiljan says, have you done any freelancing projects so far? Yes, I have. That's how I got the free favorite flyer company that I worked at, the startup. I got it through freelancing. I used to have a Upwork agency. It was called Terrific Tech Solutions. It ended last year because Upwork's just a terrible platform now in terms of freelancing. How did you find the company? Was it through a freelance website? Yep, Upwork. Gundo_G says, just join. Amazing to have you here, man. We always love to get new viewers. I think this your first time joining, or have you been watching the streams before as well? Here the revised word filler words. So now we have this. So let's just quickly let's quickly improve our stuff. Command Shift V. This is the startup where I worked at. He changed the. Oh, he got rid of it. The guy got rid of the website. Damn, he got rid of it, bruh. I guess there's no point of me putting the. Oh, he put it here, dude. He made it so much worse. What the heck? It looks so bad now. He got a new dev to do it, but the one we had was a lot better than this. We'll put the link here. Honestly, I might just get rid of that bullet point, bro. I don't know. That website looks trash. Um, let's see. At best, I think grinding Leet Code and question could help a lot with the chance of getting hired. Yeah, I agree. Gun energies first. This is your first time tuning in. Well, that's great to see, man. I'm happy for you to be here. XPCFL says, "What are the red flags in tech companies?" If they don't have a website, I'd say Adil Jan says, "Oh, you did the website? That website? No, not that one. That one he got a new dev to do, which is why it looks so shitty. But the one I did, I have the code for it. It's on my GitHub, but I'm not allowed uh for legal reasons. I cannot show you that code. Although I would love to, I cannot. Sadly, I cannot show you it." Okay, so spearheaded, bro. It just used the again. Um, enhance AWS. Okay, no issues there. Have you developed any mobile applications? Yes, I have. If you check my talharage.com, you can see all the mobile ones I have worked on. And the projects that are listed in your experience, are they all the projects or the best ones? They aren't all the projects, and I wouldn't even say they're the best ones, which is why I have to change my resume up a lot. I don't like the movie lookup app that much. I'm gonna add the stock predictor that I'm working on there. But I like the crypto tracker app. My personal portfolio website's really good. This is my YouTube channel. That's there as well. Keep engaging in chat, guys. I like you guys can see I answer all the questions. I love doing that. I love engaging. Um, Come on, Shift V. Look, I'm building. Look, after all these changes, I'm literally adding so much space to my resume. Like you guys can literally see, like if your resume you feel is so packed, then you can't get all the information you want out of it. It's because you have a lot of unnecessary stuff in your resume. But yeah, let's see if this actually changed the stuff we needed it to change. Uh, Let 8 week Python. Okay, in there, guided mode 46% emphasis in coding skills. Awesome. Okay, got rid of it there, bro. I feel like I have nothing valuable to listen to my project. Although I've done many. I want to cry, bro. We don't cry, bro. You a man, bro. I think you're a man at least. We don't cry, bro. Like you don't need to cry. Put the projects, make them sound a lot better than they are. 9 out of 10 times they don't even check them unless you get the interview. And if you get the interview, just quickly show them something. Do not stress, bro. Don't tell me that you're gonna cry. You are definitely more than capable, and I don't want to be told that you are not capable at all. We are capable, bro. Guys, just 1 second. I'm getting a call. I'm back, guys. Sorry for that. Okay, let's get. I want to quickly get through this, so I'm gonna just. I saw. Okay, yeah. Okay, I can get rid of that. Solved. Solved Leet Code. GPT be so annoying sometimes, bro. Like it don't even. Oh my god! Wait, I didn't even put the actual thing here. Command Shift V. Personal portfolio website. Command Shift V. Crypto tracker app. Let's add everything. Command Shift V. So our goal is at least to get the resume score up till 90. That is the minimum goal for today. Command Shift V. And then last but not least. Wait, why did it skip the movie? Wait, bruh. I put the wrong one. It's currently 1:29 here in Sweden. How long are you going to stream? I hope to see you in 6 to 7 hours. I stream for 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours a day, so I don't stream too long because that's a little crazy. But I stream 2 to 3 hours, so if you're on for that long, then yeah, I'm gonna be here till for the next hour or so. Let's see. But everyone else also keep engaging in chat. I know it's late for some of you, which isn't ideal. Next time I'll try to make it a time that everyone's awake, but I usually think of North American time and all that. So I think people are usually asleep. MashaAllah, good luck, bro. Oh, you're Muslim, bro. I appreciate that as well. MashaAllah. And MashaAllah. And sorry. MashaAllah to you as well for any successes in your life. But everyone else, there's 5 viewers in here, bro. You guys gotta engage. You guys gotta engage. I think we just fixed up everything here. So let's see if it did actually fix it. So design developers from modern.com. You have to add the links back. So let's get this link. Apply. And then Um, let's see what else I can do. Um, do. Yo, we got viewers, bro. You guys aren't engaging in chat, bro. You guys gotta engage in chat. So it didn't change the part. How do I reword this? For user interface. So much effort into resumes. You got to, bro. It's the most important part. If you don't, then you're just cooked. Okay. Let's see. There's nothing here, anyways. Movie lookup app. Market is valid. So much for an entry level post. Market as well. Yeah, market is. I like to say the market is disgusting at the moment. Um, movie lookup app. So it's the first bullet point. Create user feature. Okay, got rid of that. Utilize applied over to simulate interface. Simulate sales. Facilitated. Look how much space I'm just getting, like getting rid of this useless stuff. Yo, bro, when you had the agency back in the days, did you outsource the work to other devs or do the client projects yourself? A little bit of both. Mostly project management was me. A little bit of the coding as well. And then I hired devs from Pakistan. That did not work out that well. I wasn't happy with their performances. Very simple work they were taking weeks upon weeks to do, and it was really annoying. And I just like honestly that's why I didn't like want to continue with it because they were just taking so much time and stuff. And yeah, I don't know, like they were ghosting me and then like they'd ask for more money. So yeah, I was just good, bro. I don't know. Great work. I appreciate that, man. Thank you so much for your kind words. Yeah, finding good skilled devs for Pakistan is very hard, like kind of impossible. Bro, they all be cheating, bro. They all be finessing. But that you think there's good devs there, but nah, it's very rare to be honest. The one that are good kind of have agency or something. Yeah, literally like they're already so smart. They're not about to work for you unless you have to pay them above market rate for it to work out. So yeah, but yeah, let's quickly Let's quickly get back on the grind. I have to fix the fonts as well. Conducted through testing using ensure proper functionality of the software simulation. Okay, I think we got rid of all the filler words, so our impact should be a lot better now. So our score specifics. Let's fix this as well. So I think it just wants me to do a lot more. It says it's not a good job, but it's on track, so it could be better. Can you suggest good portfolio products to land first data science ML job? I'm doing a stock predictor. I'd actually really recommend that. Any fintech stuff, like crypto tracker. I've done both of those. And also, if this is the first time you guys are here, you gotta subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. We're almost halfway there, so definitely subscribe, guys. Definitely subscribe. Did you work with some Indian devs? Yes, I have. They're better than Pakistani ones. How is your experience? Yeah, I mean, they're also. I'm not even like just saying that. Like any devs from outside, unless you have them in an office, they're not gonna work amazing. Which is why I don't even really like remote jobs because you can just do whatever you want, and then you have to be up the guy's cheeks to like even get him to do something. It's just annoying. Like they'll be good in the first couple weeks, and then after that, they're just it's not the greatest experience. Are you going to include impactful numbers and stats? Also, I'm not sure how good these resume checkers are because they aren't super accurate. This one is verified from one of the recruiters I've talked to. So this one that I'm using right now is actually pretty good. And yeah, I that's what it's telling me to do. It's telling me to add a lot more stats and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Like you can see, like it's highlighting. Like look, anytime I mention stats or whatever, it likes that. Like any languages, anything. So maybe I add here in Java with Java. And this would probably help with the and then Git. I guess it didn't catch the Git and stuff, but yeah. Maybe I add some more with the live stream building various tech projects showcasing development coding skills with languages like Python, HTML/CSS, HTML/CSS. High skilled devs are expensive and there's no point in hiring bad devs. Yeah, if you want an agency, you have to definitely pay above market rate. That's just how it goes. If you want to keep people happy, that's just how it is. That's why they pay software engineers so high. Slowly gonna land. Keep engaging in chat, guys. And interested in ML and software. Mm. Yo, God says yo yo yo. What's up, bro? Noah Ramon says yo. What's up, guys? I think this is the first time I've had you guys on stream. Where are you from, bro? I am living in Calgary, Alberta, Canada at the moment, but I am from ethnically at least Pakistan. Where are you from, man? As Ahab Hassan says, but the thing, if you have an agency and you outsource the work too good, does it cost more expensive than the client budget? Yeah, that's what, because they go to Upwork for cheaper, bro. And that's why, like, if you want to be cheap, then, like, or if you want cheap prices, then, like, you have to be, sorry, they go to Upwork for cheap prices. And if you're gonna try to make a profit out of it, you're gonna barely make any profit from the agency. Let's get back to this with Python, Java. See how I made this like a lot more specific. Let's go back to our presentation. So we got rid of this line, so we're chilling on that. And then I think we had an issue with the bullet points. I think it was something about the size. This is size. What size is this? 8, and then this is size 7. I think now, yeah, it should be better. What software are you using for resume feedback? VMock. It's a very good software if you haven't already heard of it. I would definitely recommend checking out. A lot of universities in North America offer it with your university email and stuff. But mine does, but it's only for business students, so that's kind of annoying. But yeah. But are you guys enjoying the resume content, like working on resume and stuff? I know that's a big thing for people, not just working on projects and Leet Code all the time. So I wanted to add a bit of a, like, new side to things. Add a little bit of spice. If this is your first time watching, guys, please subscribe, like. It'll help with more channel engagement and all that. But yeah, I think I just fixed this specific part too. Let's see what else I can do. Yeah, other than the bullet points, like they're all about sharing with a period. Okay, so either they all end with periods, which they are technically ending with periods, or none at all. Okay, so I guess I'd have to add a period here. And CS. What else is the issue? Either consistent bullet point size, yeah. Loving the content, dude. I appreciate it, man. I appreciate all of you guys today. We're getting a lot of viewers today. We hit a peak of 12 today as well, so that was great. Uh, Company name styling. Yeah, that's not what's it called? Consistent. So I'm gonna fix that right now. What did I use for this? What font? Spectral. bold, spectral. I don't know why it's being like that. Maybe I just do this. Keep engaging in chat, guys, bro. I love the engagement. Let's do it like this. Also, subscribe, like, comment, whatever it is. Flyer ink. Why is this size 6 and then this is size 7? I gotta fix a lot of things. Look, you can just see like the little issue. You know Next.js a little bit. I know React.js more. Yeah, I have to work on this formatting. I'm really not impressed by my own formatting at the moment. You can just see how bad it is. Like, no wonder I'm not getting as many interviews as I'd like. Schulich. Ignite. And then we can even take like the font and stuff. Programming. Intern. And we take this. We'll put it here. And then we'll put a software developer intern. But my only issue is that like if you look at the font sizes I'm using, they're like a lot smaller than they should be. I guess now it's fixed. But you can just see how bad the presentation was before, and you might think, oh, like my resume is perfect, this and that, and it's just in front of you right now. Like I'm noticing all these like changes I could have added to make it look a lot better. May. Look, even my dates are wrong here, and I didn't even realize. May. Why is it doing that? May 2023. December 2023. Yep. Like you can see they're not even in line. Like I'd have to move this like here, like up till the end. I guess in some cases I can't, but guys, engage in chat, bro. There's so many people watching it, no one's engaging right now. And you can see like how much I fixed the formatting, how much better it looks. Like you can just see like there's a huge difference. Job styling. So I think we made it consistent, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, I think so. Well, other than that, I think the presentation's pretty good. Experience. competencies. So this is just the last one we have to fix, and then I'm gonna put the resume back in and see how well we did. Bro, you're getting out of camera frame. Am I? Oh, like, am I doing this? Like that? Okay, I'll just quickly adjust this. I should be in camera frame now. A lot more than I was before. Yeah, now, if I do this, should be good. Let's see what we can do here. So far it looks pretty decent. Just, I guess, initiative, fundraising. I don't know if I can really put that in here. Where would you rank Python among other languages? Python I'd rank pretty high. I think Python's a pretty good language. I recommend it a lot just for beginners as well. And like, it can do a lot. Like, it's not like useless. It's pretty good actually. Now better than before. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Okay. What do I do now? Is this good? I think it's good. Maybe add some like concept. What experience? Initiation to career. I guess I could add more in the resume. Yeah. Maybe maybe one more bullet point about the live streaming. We'll ask GPT. Can you add an extra bullet point about the live streaming that does this? I can't say it's repeating the talk about a different concept. I give advice on stream and things. Let's see if it gives me anything good. I have a friend who has good skills, full stack. He is thinking of starting freelancing, like working on this. Any advice for him? I would say in terms of freelancing, just have. I don't know. I don't recommend freelancing at the moment just because of how bad the market is and stuff like that. But if he wants to go for it, just make sure you have. You need to have an edge in the market. If you don't have any edges, then you can't do much. So I'd say find a difference maker within you if you want to go on to these platforms. Like, you have to build yourself strong. He's not going to have reviews straight away because he's new. But I just say, like, try to find an edge, something, a unique selling point, USP. How effective is it to add leadership and involvement in the resume? Well, clearly, based off this, it's saying you should have that, and it's pretty effective. So I would say pretty effective. Let's add the new line here. That should be. And then, oh no. Oh no, that was a little too many lines. Okay, I think I have to add my personal information back. I'm just gonna do that really quickly. And then I'm gonna put the resume into the thing and see what rating I get, because I think I worked on everything. Ooh. You guys can see this. Yeah, you guys should be able. The title seems good and simple. Yep. Keeps asking me for feedback. I have to get this back. So maybe minimize this space here. Damn. I might have to make the font a little smaller. But I can't do that because I need it all to be the same size. What could I do? Anyone have any ideas? Can you record a specific part of the screen in Mac? Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. I have two screens, but I'm only recording one. Yo, if you guys haven't already, you guys gotta subscribe, bro. You guys gotta subscribe. We are on the road to 1K. I keep repeating it, but it's true. Damn, I thought that would have created more space. It didn't. Maybe here, we're gonna do that. How is this not enough space? Is it? Oh, is it not even like? Okay, that fit everything. Are you using OBS for recording? Yes, I am indeed using OBS for my recording. Okay, we're gonna put the resume in now and see the score we get. So let's see what score our resume has now. So we had an 82. Now let's see what these improvements are gonna give our resume. It better be good. So let's see. So tolerate. Let's download this. Download PDF. Is this the right resume? I hope this is the right resume. If I posted the wrong resume, I swear. This like wasted a whole. Waste the whole thing. It should be the right one. Okay, let's see what it gives us. We are about to see the rating we're getting on her. So we had an 82. We just got a 94. What the heck? That's insane. So we just brought our resume from an 82 to an 84, 94. You guys can see the crazy improvement. All done on stream, by the way. So our competency is a 30 out of 30 now. And then our, what's it called? What else do we have? And then our communication. So this is perfect. Our presentation overall format font should be consistent across all. So I'm guessing like there's some issues here, but it's mostly okay. It's 29 out of 30. And then impact, we still have some overusage with the word using. Avoided words like though, we used it a little bit, but if we improve that, bro, we have 100 out of 100 resume over here. Yeah, I appreciate it, man. Took about an hour and a half, but next stream we'll work on the rest of the stuff a little more. But other than that, we have a 94 resume score. So, oh, who is this? Savera Man says, "Mashallah." Yes, mashallah indeed. Um, okay, so we'll work on the rest next time. But for now, that's really good. And then next time we'll like look at it in relation to some LinkedIn job posts, which will be really helpful. GG's, appreciate it. Yo, y'all better be subscribed, bro. Yeah, 400. So we just gained 12 subscribers during stream, bro. That's crazy. That's actually really good. But yeah. So what changes do I have to now bring? So I'm just gonna look at it in terms of LinkedIn job posts and see like if I'm fitting all their like requirements and all that. But if I have a 94, that means like I should be getting some interviews, bro. But we'll look into it. We'll see. We'll see that if like here I have a job description for Rakuten. I'm gonna put it on a doc and show you guys like what it looks like. Like we'll see like how what these job postings usually require and things of that nature. Here we go. So here's a job posting for a software engineering role in Canada. I'm gonna put it right here. I'm gonna paste the image. You guys can see this, right? You guys should be able to see that. Is VMock AI tool for checking resumes? Yep, VMock is for checking resumes. So here's a job posting. Rakuten Rewards is a profitable, high-growth e-commerce brand in San Mateo, California. Blah, blah, blah. I love you, Rakuten. I know you sponsored Barcelona, so if you ever see this, I actually like you guys, but I don't want to read too long because then chat's going to be kind of annoyed. But the key responsibilities. So this is what we got to look at. The key responsibilities. Develop multiple approaches to a solution. Deploy them in A/B test to our customers. Learn and adapt from results. Analyze, develop, recommend metrics to drive business decisions. Collaborate with project manager, development business units to develop. So this is where the collaboration, the mentorship and stuff that I added to my resume really matters. Because like this is your extracurriculars, like that's where this comes. Analyze, develop, and recommend metrics to drive business decisions. So this would just show leadership skills as well. And then this is like what they actually want you to do, multiple to a solution. So if you have words like solution in your resume, deploy, that's where this would really matter. And it says anything to do with testing, adapting, learning. This would be in your interpersonal skills or whatever. Qualifications. This is your main part. Strong software development ability in either Java, C, C++, Python. I have all these languages listed on my resume. This is why I say for internships, you need to be a jack of all trades. Like a lot of people would say, no, be very like niched out and all that. Well, no, because they want you to know 5 languages. So in either, but like still it would be pretty good if you knew all of them. UI, building MVC principles, a plus. So UIs in my resume, knowledge of APIs. APIs are all over my project experience. solid understanding of algorithm data structures. Mentioned that in my skills, I have data structure and algorithms. They will catch on to that when they're reading the resume. Effective communication and collaboration skills. Although since I do see this now in my resume, now what I'm gonna do is when I'm looking at my resume, right? Like, okay, this is my old resume, but I'm like for the Leet Code, I'm gonna talk about data using data structures and algorithms. Actually, wait, let's go on the other one. Copy of the right. Let's go on this one. So here now for the Leet Code, I'm gonna put using data structures and algorithms, even though I have it somewhere here. Yeah, data structures, algorithms, I have it, but it's applicable in the Leet Code on the thing, right? So that would be pretty good. Bro, why don't you make short content like summary of what you did today online? So that's coming very soon, bro. No, that's coming very soon. I'm in talks with one of my friends who has a marketing agency, and I'm definitely gonna be doing that. But that's a great idea. Don't worry though, I will definitely be getting to that. I think it's a pretty good idea. Thank you for that, Zahib. I will be doing that very soon. Yeah, APIs. I have all these things. I'm gonna try to put data structures and algorithms here, but I can't. I don't have space. That's the issue. Maybe I put it here. Effective knowledge of data structures and algorithm. Yeah. It's a little too long. Yeah, maybe it does get. Maybe I keep it at what it was. I think I'm overthinking it. Yeah, it's kind of good at this, but we'll improve the resume even more. Like obviously we still have to add improvements and all that. But yeah, I'm gonna think of how to improve these lines. I'll do that later though. But if you see, like I have all most of these things, if not all of them, in my resume. So effective communicate. These are all leadership stuff. That's how leadership's so important. Interpersonal skills, leadership skills, communication, collaboration, right? Collaborated with a team of 20 to execute a software simulation. You know, it's all there. It's all there. Currently in Bachelor's of Computer Science, that's all here. Bachelor's of Science, Computer Science. Uh, yeah, it's all there, bro. Maybe I gotta make this a little bit bigger. I don't like how small it is. Maybe make this a 9 as well. Because the fonts are a little different. You know what I mean? Just little details are so important. But yeah, you can just see how much the resume has just already improved. Just from these like tiny things. Yeah, like you can see like the fonts are a little different, so that's why. Maybe unbold this. You know that even Upwork no text patrol is written by AI. Literally, yeah, bro. Like they know what's real. All these companies know, bro. It's just you gotta make sure you're doing the right things. But yeah, oh, I just closed it. But you guys just saw, like, I just showed you with a job application, like how much I literally improved my stuff just based off like small little like improvements I made. Upwork has implemented measures to detect and flag AI generated proposals. Yeah, literally, bro. Like they know even like in uni, bro. They're always up our ass. Like you used AI for this, you used AI for that. You know what I mean? So it's just like everyone knows they have these thoughts, even though you can like say it's inaccurate, whatever. But yeah, everyone knows, bro. But yeah, like I'll find another job like thing right now, and then we can just look at it. Like you can see I have all the keywords I need. Like if you don't have that, why are you guys expecting like internship interviews or whatever? Like you shouldn't be expecting anything at that rate. But yeah, let's see another job thing I could put in here. Software developer co-op. We're looking. I'll just show you guys that we're looking for someone who. This will just show you, bro, like all the things they want. And if this isn't in your resume, don't even expect to get an interview at all, let alone like your presentation and all the little details. Here, we're looking for someone who will use their exceptional development skills, primarily in Java, to build innovative and sustainable solutions that solve customer problems. Expertise would also be an asset. Have all of that on my resume as well. Loves to work on great cross functional team collaborating effectively with various groups to understand business objectives, customers' needs and gaps, and deliver on team objectives. That's also leadership and all the voluntary extracurricular stuff. Appreciates the breadth of software systems and various perspectives such as usability, testability, performance, scalability, supportability, all that stuff. Nice. I don't know if I have all that, but I guess it's kind of their functionality, all that. Has great scripting skills and always prefers to automate in favor of manual work. And that's kind of like, eh. Will work on a variety of platforms at varying heights in the stack and any level of software pipeline. Is quality focus, believes in unit testing. I have that. JUnit testing. And makes their code easily debuggable in the field and believes the best tests are coded and performed by a machine. Has a proactive, customer oriented approach with troubleshooting. Nice. So I have like 70% of this, but like you guys get the gist, right? Like what these guys are looking for. It's all similar. Like as long as you have a high resume score, like you're chilling, bro. Like I have Java right here, Java's GUI libraries with Java. So they're gonna see that, they're gonna say Java over here. Like they'll see all the Java and they'll be like, "Yep, come over here. You got a lot of Java." JavaScript. Um, this shouldn't be. This should be JavaScript right here. Yep. JavaScript. So these guys will like me, man. JS, all that. So they probably maybe give me an interview, but I think you bypass the ARM and convert it into human format using some other tools, right? You could, yeah. There's a thing called Stealth GPT that helps as well. Uh, but yeah, in terms of this, like literally, like I think, what do you guys think? Like I think I have a lot of this. Like also, guys, I see 8 viewers, bro. You guys gotta engage in chat. Come on. We'll work on variety of so this is just a lot of leadership, but like if you have these keywords, like look, let's look at all the loves to work on a great cross-functional team. Do I have the word functional? They'll just look for that. Like, oh, does he have this word functional? Functionality, fine, that'll do. Um, Collaborating, I have that with various groups to understand business objectives, customer needs and gaps, and deliver on the team objectives. Team gaps, needs, got all of that. Deliver. Appreciate breadth of software systems. I have software like, I guess I not the usability testability. Bro.js is also used for dynamic programming as well. Isn't that dynamic programming an algorithm as well? Has great scripting skills, almost perform on my work. Prefer to automate. I love automating, but I don't know if you need to really necessarily write that. And quality focus, believes in unit testing and making their code easily debuggable in the field, and believes the best taste or coder or perform. Like okay, I have unit testing right here, right? Tells you like where's my JUnit conducted through testing JUnit to ensure proper functional readability. Yeah, I guess I do have the whole like usability, testability, scalability, all that. Has a proactive oriented approach. Maybe I could use like testability, performance, scalability, supportability, usability. I guess I could put here usability, because reliability and usability is the same. But since I guess they use this, I would just change it before I apply to them. But those AI tools degrade the quality of proposal writing. Is that how I spell it? Usability. Usability. Where did it go, bro? Usability. Yeah, that's how you spell it. But you can just see like how much I just improved my resume with just little tweaks through VMock. And then what are the other stuff? Variety of varying. This is just specific to the job software pipeline. Yeah, I have unit testing, debugging. I guess I could put maybe put that like here, right? Like in your like debugging or something. Technical skills. Debugging. Right here, just a little, like you just added there. They're not gonna say anything. And then troubleshooting. We can do that as well. Has experience secure code working as secure. So we have like 6, 7 out of 8 of them. Just a couple aren't there. Maybe a little bit of, like a troubleshooting. Troubleshooting. How do you spell it? Troubleshooting? It's all there now. So just added a couple skills just based off that. Like tweak it a little bit before you apply and all that. Um, yeah, tweak it a little bit before you apply. It's crazy. Yeah, literally, I guess. I guess I gotta be an influencer. Maybe that's the whole technique. APIs. Did I put API? Yeah, I put APIs. So like I have a lot of it, but it's obviously different in terms of each job and all that. But yeah, I have another one. We'll look at the next one. Like as long as you're filling most of the like bullet points, you're obviously not always gonna fill all of them. But yeah. Day 10, bro. This was a good day 10. Finally hit double digits. Where is the rest of chat, bro? Rest of chat is not engaging. Let's go back to VMock. So yeah, I just want to put this here, it just makes me feel good. But yeah. Let's just look at a couple more wild. Let's look at a couple more. We'll look at a couple more, what's it called? Job postings, and then we'll call it a day for today. Just a lot of resume focus. And then tomorrow we'll do the stock predictor. And focus on that. I guess they are working as watching the stream is. Guess they are working as watching the stream and busy as I am. Yeah, probably. That's what a lot of people do. They'll like watch the stream, but like they'll be working on their own personal stuff while doing that. I actually like that. That's a good thing to do. Like you can ask for help. Like there's a community in chat all the time. That's actually a pretty good thing to do, I think. Um, let's look at another one. Let's look at another one. Command Shift 4. We'll do this last one and then I'll just chill and talk to chat right now. Just relax. Okay, so last one. Responsibilities. Or is this is the last one? No, this is the newest one. So develop applications which extend the capabilities of the wave router system slash platform. Okay, I don't think we should worry about responsibilities, just required skills. So in this one, because that's just their specific job stuff. But required skills pursuing. Okay, we have that. C, C++, have that. Scripting experience, Python, Go, Bash, have that. Not Go and Bash, but Python. Familiar with data content, Ethernet. So I don't have that. Low level real time software slash firm development Linux. I don't have Linux in there. I could add it. That's a good thing to add. I have Git. I don't have the rest. CLS. So this is like very specific stuff they want. But as long as I'm like I have like a lot of them though. Like I have this. I have part of this. I don't have this. I have kind of this. Linux I didn't put on my resume. I can add it to my skills. It's not that hard. Linux as a software development environment. I've done that before, but I don't have it on here right now. Exposure to, no, I don't have that. Kind of have this. Don't have that automation test I do have. So it's like I have a decent bit of it, but like I don't have all of it. Like I guess REST API I could put in there. Like I have REST API, but I just put it as API. So maybe it would catch on to it, maybe not. It just depends on the jobs. There aren't a lot, but that's what I mean when I say tweak your resume a little bit. But we do have a 94 though, quick flex. But yeah, I mean you could tweak it a little bit. But yeah, other than that, guys, let's just chill and chat for a bit now. I'm just gonna talk to you guys. You know what I mean? Chill out now for the last couple minutes. We'll do like 10 to 13 minutes of just like any questions you guys have. I'm more than willing to answer and just engage. So yeah, if you guys got anything, like let me know right now. Like say something. I mean, uploading your life could be so much more. Did he? Let's see. I told you guys he'd be back. Where did he upload it? I don't see it. Where did Amin upload it? Search it. Life. It's not even on his channel. Maybe he just uploaded it. I mean, I cannot find it. Yeah, cannot find it. Did he upload on YouTube? Is it useful to use a school template for resumes? I used that for VMOC and got a 90. Maybe. I just recommend Jake's resume template, but if you have a 90, that's pretty good. But I don't know what is school template. School template. It's probably not this. I can't get the link, Zahib. It doesn't show for me. I don't know which one this is. I cannot find the school template. Maybe it just ain't showing up for me, bro. Yeah, I don't think he uploaded anything. Probably deleted it. I can't find the school template. Uh, oh, the one your school provided you? Maybe that's the best one. But if you, everyone says use Jake's though for resumes, for tech. But if your school one's getting you a 90, maybe that's what you could use. But I just recommend Jake's. I think it's a lot. It's like pretty vast in a lot of senses. What university do you go to, and do you think cyber would be easier to get internships in? I cyber is easier than software engineering in terms of like learning and all that, but I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I don't know. If you like it more, then go for it. But I think cyber is gonna die because of AI. But I think a lot of things will die because of AI. So could you tell me what Jake's is? Just search up Jake's resume template. It'll be like this. You'll find it like on latex or like this, something like this. Jake Ryan. I don't know. It's kind of blurry in this, but like what I had. Yeah, this something like this. This is the best. Uh, Karen, I don't think. Sorry, Pascal. I don't think that the links show up in chat. The links aren't showing up in chat. That's what I'm noticing. Because I'm trying to find Amin's new YouTube video, but apparently it's not even actually there, so I don't know. Like, he doesn't have anything. But yeah, guys. Type youtube.com before the link. I don't have the link. Maybe I'll like watch one of his videos. Yeah, I don't think it shows. Life could be so much better. I mean, Bagiri, YouTube. Oh, this? It's a members only. I guess you pay for his members thing. How much is his members? $3.99 a month. I'm applying everywhere, man. This market is terrible, so you end up have to apply everywhere. But yeah, I'm just applying everywhere because I have to. Not much of a choice in it, because that's just the best way to get at least guarantees somewhat of an internship. Yeah, it's a members only, so only if you pay for his membership thing, then you can get it. But damn, we increased a lot in subscribers this stream. We got 414 subscribers, and we started at 390 something when we were in the beginning, so that's really good. We got 12 watching right now, bro. This is actually really good. US as well. Yeah, I do apply to the US, but there's a visa issue though. I can't guarantee like an internship there because like they might. But I just like say like, oh yeah, I can work in the US when I can't, and then I'll get like an interview, but I don't know if I'll actually get the job. I can't find a download link for the Jake template. Just search up Jake's resume template and then the first latex link. It's pretty good. This this is pretty good. I recommend this. It's actually a good idea to do the when you're with your projects, I guess. Like you kind of like put the this and then the languages. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like this, the how what do I call this? I don't know what I call this. Like this line and then the language is like that. That actually really helps. I'm gonna probably do that with my projects. Probably work on that. Once I add the stock predictor, just kind of like put it like that. Because currently what I have going on isn't like that. Let's see what I can make it look like. Yeah, I could like honestly might as well do it right now. Like just quickly add a JavaScript. Bro, why this moving shit? Java. Oh, it's because that moves. Okay. JavaScript. What do they do with the fonts though? Okay, they make it smaller. Java. I mean, new video is good. Yeah, I can't watch it though. I'm not a member. I think you will go on a J1 visa at the border and not a consulate if they sponsor you on. Yeah, I think so. I'm not too familiar with that. If you want a Google Doc, then you can use a PDF to doc converter. Thank you for the tip. Learn latex, guys. It will help you in the long term. Yeah, I heard that as well. Like latex is pretty good. React.js. Move it like this. Like you see how much better this looks, honestly. This actually improved the resume, and then put it in italics. Maybe a smaller font. A lot of you can do not sponsor, so it's going to be tough to apply from Canada. Yeah, I agree. They don't. Yeah, this project I did make with React.js. Can you show your Upwork profile that you used to work with before? Yeah, I can. I don't know if you just search Telha Rage. Oh, I was top rated, bro. I don't have it anymore though, but I was top rated. Yeah, it's here. What if they banned me? I have 100%. I used to be top rated. I am not anymore. But yeah. What did I use for this? Python. Did it mean get remote jobs using LinkedIn? I don't know. I don't think so. Initially, when he got those when the tech market was booming, not before that. HTML, CSS. I used script, React, Node.js. Is this in line? Yeah, it's in line. You can see how much better it just looks with like just adding the programming language. Hopefully the Fed's lower its interest move quickly now that inflation is down. That's true. Didn't mean check out this website buttermax.net. What is on this website, bro? Buttermax. Why is this so different? You will be surprised how good this website is. So coming in certain text to hire more people. Yeah, they would if the once the interest rates go down. Java JUnit Git. It is an agency website. Okay, I'll check it out. Okay, I added all the languages. I think it's pretty good now. might be a hacking website, dog. uh, okay. So let's just check VMock one more time. Should I upload this? Let's add the little changes that it wanted us to make. Using. It's just using. I guess I could write with. What's the better word? Using synonym. Employing. Nah, bro, trust me. That's crazy. Employing, and then I guess it was mainly here. With some. With synonym. What could I say instead of using here? Leveraging. Using. By. What's a good word for using? By. Utilizing. Maybe utilizing. By. Is JX friendly? I'm currently changing the just for my needs. I don't know what ATS is. Utilizing. Anton should. Have I used utilizing yet? Utilizing. Utilizing it. I guess we can just use utilizing in this sense. It works. Okay, what else did VMock recommend? So we got rid of using avoided words. We still have some. Yo, this not be telling me, bro, where I use the. It just hides it. For how could I even for the app and website for both app and website, and then here the software like bro, please check out the website buttermax.net. I'm about to get hacked, bro. Holy, what the hell? Yeah, this is crazy. Mine's lags too. What is this? I feel like this is way too much though. It's crazy, but it's too much. Like, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but it's like way too much. Um, that is a word's #1 website. I mean, it's decent, but it's too much, I'd say. Usability. I guess I'll keep the here because it just makes sense. The website is dope. I mean, it's not bad. I wasn't saying that. But it was just, I don't know. Okay, let's try again one last time. Hopefully the resume score went up. For now, this is gonna be the last time for today. Upload resume. Let's just make sure it's the right resume. I think it is. Yep. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this. Yeah, it's the last thing. It was the only thing I wanted to focus on today. Spent 2 hours on a resume, damn. That's how you know you're putting effort in. Let's see if I improved the score and made it worse. 96. Okay. Now we just got rid of all the avoided words. Now it's just specifics. But since we got a lot more here, I thought it would have said something. But we have it at a 96 now. So that's good. It didn't make a difference with the little things. But okay, we got it to a 96 score. So pretty happy with that. But yeah, other than that, guys, I think I'm going to call it a day for today. Grinded out the resume stuff, so that's always awesome. We reached 415 subscribers. Day 10 was pretty good. It was a little different to normal, but I still had a good time. But yeah, guys, I'm going to call off the stream now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Everyone who came back today. Can you create a website like Buttermax? Maybe, man, but I don't know. That website kind of too much. I don't know if I can do that, but God knows. But yeah, anyways, guys, I'm a call it off for today. Had a great time on stream today. It was awesome. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't get wrong, but it's super difficult to. Yeah, it's 100% really difficult. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Let's get to 1K subscribers. Make sure to smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and yeah, I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it easy for now for the day. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and yeah, hopefully you guys come back tomorrow. But yeah, guys.